Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
In our previous videos, we've learned many Chinese characters related to direction and position. Let's do a quick review. 上 up, 下 down, 左 left, 右 right, 前 front, 后 back, 内 inside, and 外 outside. You might be wondering, what about the character that means center? That's exactly what we're learning today. Its pronunciation is zhōng. The literal meaning of zhōng is center. Besides describing the physical, central, or middle position, it also appears in many compound words with different meanings. Let's take a closer look. 中心 means center. 中间 means middle. Here, 中 describes a central or middle position between 2 points. 房中 means inside the room. 盒中 means inside the box. When it follows a noun that represents an object, it means inside that object. 研究中 means in the middle of research. 开会中 means in a meeting. When it follows a verb, it indicates that an action is in progress. 中看 means looks good, but isn't necessarily useful. 中意 means to like or to be pleased with. Here, 中 means to hit or match just right, expressing that something fits or feels right. 中 is an ancient Chinese character. In Oracle bone script, it was drawn as a flag planted in the center of a field, symbolizing the idea of being in the middle or at the center. Over time, the form was simplified and gradually evolved into the modern version we use today. Even now, the shape of zhōng still reflects that original image, like a pole standing right in the middle of a square. Let's practice reading this character together. 中 中 zhōng. Zhōng is a single component character with 4 strokes. A short vertical line, a horizontal turn, a horizontal line, and a long vertical line. It's an easy character to remember. It looks like a straight line running right through the center of a square. But it's important to follow the correct stroke order when writing it. First, draw a short vertical line near the center of the left side. Next, write the horizontal turn stroke. Then, draw a horizontal line beneath it, forming a flat square frame similar to the character kou. Finally, draw a long vertical line straight down through the middle. Here's a tip. When writing zhōng, don't place the inner square too low or right in the center. The character will look unbalanced. Keep it slightly higher, and it will look much more elegant. The character zhōng has another pronunciation, zhōng, which is used in certain contexts. When read as zhōng, it means to hit, to be affected, or to be chosen. For example, 中奖 means to win a prize. 中选 means to be selected. 中毒 means to be poisoned. 中枪 means to be shot. Here's something interesting. The character zhōng can also refer to China. In ancient times, zhōng, which means middle, was used to describe the Central Plains, the birthplace of Chinese civilization. And that's why today, Chinese people still use zhōng to stand for China. For example, 中国 means China. 中文 means Chinese language. 中餐 means Chinese food. 中医 means traditional Chinese medicine. 中药 means Chinese herbal medicine. 中式 means Chinese style. Did you get it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.